Hello guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a mod review, an updated mod review on the CRZ. Not much has changed, but there will be something new that will change the entire look of this car in the next few months. I'm not sure yet when yet, but it's on order. So what's the first thing? First thing that I did to this car when I bought it, we painted the badges black. So we got all the badges in black and the front as well, as you can see. Badge in the front is in black. The next thing we did was, I had the stock wheels obviously, I painted those black as well, and the calipers in a nice blue to match the headlight and the blue accents that I put down there, and on the rear diffuser fins, as you can see right there as well in blue. The next thing we did was get all the eBay special bits and bobs. Front splitter there, got the side skirts here as well, and the fins there, the rain light, and also this fake carbon lip spoiler, same thing. And then the next major mod we did to this car is, of course, the beautiful Advan RZDF wheels. They look so good on this car, really does suit the styling, to be honest with you. Also, ironic fact, they came out in the same year as this car, both 2010, ironically. And then the next thing we did, exhaust. I'll get a sound clip for you guys now, so I'll just set you guys down here and you can hear this thing scream. I would just like to point out, I didn't go all the way to the rev limiter. It was only at 3k because there were people around and they were all staring. So yeah, that's why it's not as loud as it would be normally. And there we go, that's the exhaust of the car. Next, what else did we do? Oh, we did the stickers. So we've got our own custom stickers. I'll put a link down below if you want to get them. So we got this style, which we only have one of these left. We've got quite a few of the Japan stickers there. We got these ones as well on the side. And then now we move on to the interior of the car. So what have we done in here? Obviously this isn't stock, this is a aftermarket head unit. I've got an extender here for the gear knob, makes it a bit, easier to shift. Also, of course, we can't forget the footwell lights that I've got here as well. They obviously change colours from my phone, which I can't show you at the moment. But I will put a clip so you can see the colour changing there. And then obviously I made a whole video on this bit, the carbon fibre wrapped dashboard piece and Mugen, because actually that's a sneak peek of what you can expect for the exterior of the car. Got some special goodies coming. And also we got these, you can't tell, but if you look on my hand, puddle lights, which says CRZ. So yeah, that's all that, and yeah, I think let's go for a little drive now. Alright, so now we go for a little drive. I'm also going to talk about things upcoming for this car, so we'll wait for that car and then we'll get moving. And off we go. So as I said earlier in the video, we got some big things coming for this car. Ow, speed bump. But we do have some interesting stuff coming for this car, something that will completely change the look of it. It is on order, so I've ordered a body kit for this car. I'm not going to say which one, but all I will tell you is it will be this CRZ will be the only one in the UK with this body kit. There will be no others with the body kit that I've got on order, so it will be sort of a one-of-one build in the UK. But the plans in the future is to make this the coolest CRZ in the world. I've got some big plans for that, but I'm not going to disclose anything yet. That will come a good few years down the line. So yeah, that's like some ambitious stuff I've got planned for this, if we keep it. Well, obviously I want to try to keep this thing for as long as I can, but if an opportunity on another car comes that I won't get again, this thing may have to go, unfortunately. Okay. Alright, and so yeah. And then also there's some big stuff coming merch wise as well. So I do have some stuff in the work, well, in the planning stages at the moment. I may have some windshield banners if you guys would like some. I'll put some concepts of ideas that I've got so far. I'll pop it in right now. So here are some of the designs. Please let me know down in the comments which ones you would like, which ones you want to see. But yeah, there's all sorts of designs. There's JDM, stance, hot boy style as well. But yeah, just let me know which ones you want in the comments below. But yeah, I'm thinking hopefully next year to get some more stickers, some more other stuff as well. Maybe some t-shirts and hoodies. Who knows? But obviously we have to see the reception and how much you guys want the merch, of course. If none of you wanted any, then there was no point. So yeah, but yeah, I've got some stuff in the works. Just need to work out the logistics and all of that, and then yeah, maybe some t-shirts, hoodies maybe coming out next year. Definitely some more sticker designs, some windshield banners, bigger stickers as well, cooler designs of course. But yeah, there's some big stuff coming for this channel. And also I would like to thank you all for watching and tuning into the videos. Recently we have hit 1 million views across all 3 of my social medias. So that's including Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. Across all 3 we've hit over 1 million views, which is unreal to say the least. Like, I could not be doing this without you guys, genuinely. I am eternally grateful for you all, and thank you all so much for watching. And please, obviously, please subscribe and yeah, leave a like, because we've got some big stuff planned as well. And a little teaser for next week's video, we may be filming with one of the most famous micras in the UK. If you watch the Sidemen channel, you'll know which one I'm talking about. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be exciting as well. My god, the rain. It's quite bad. But yeah, we got some big stuff in the works. We are making it big, guys. We are making it big. So yeah, genuinely, thank you all so much. I would not have this opportunity to be able to film these kind of videos for you guys without you guys watching, of course, and leaving likes and dropping dropping I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Dropping a like, hitting the subscribe button. I mean, I couldn't be doing this without you guys, genuinely, and I want to thank you all so much for that. But yeah, genuinely, this car sounds so much better with that exhaust on the back, and all we've done is just a custom exhaust from EMP Performance. EMP backbox. Custom backbox from EMP Performance. That's all we've done to this thing, and it sounds amazing. It's not bad for a hybrid at all, genuinely, not bad at all. But my golly, it is pouring it down. But yeah, obviously I'm gonna try make more long form videos as well. I've just been waiting for that body kit to arrive to make more long form videos on it, on this car. But yeah, I'll definitely try and make some more, hopefully weekly. I can drop a POV drive per week or so. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, just gonna go park up now. Right, and let's park this boy. Ow, in my head. Okay, and here we are, we've parked. Just want to say thank you all so much for watching this video. Of course, there will be more to come, more videos. I'm going to try do weekly POV videos. Of course, you'll get the daily shorts of whatever I film. Either some supercars or maybe this car, you never know. But yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will also leave a link down below to my other socials, to my TikTok and my Instagram. Please don't forget to drop me a follow on there and check out some of my other content. But that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you have a lovely day.